ladies, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hey, welcome to my channel. I'm so happy you're here. So for today's video, I did a tutorial using two of the Morphe Jaclyn Hill vaults. I used the Ring the Alarm palette and the Armed and Gorgeous palette. These are my absolute two favorite palettes out of this collection. They are so beautiful. I came up with this beautiful eye look right here. I love it. It's super simple, it's really easy to achieve, and I think that you guys will really like it too. So if you want to see how I got this eye makeup look right here, then make sure you just keep on watching. Alright, so I have you guys nice and zoomed in. We are ready to get started. As you can see, I already have my base makeup on and I have this eye done just to make things a little bit quicker and we can just get right to the point. So we are going to start with this eye. To start off, we are using the Ring the Alarm palette, and we are starting with the shade Rush. This is just going to help us later on blend all of the colors together and look nice and seamless. Just start packing this onto your eye and just blending it out. Keep going in with that color until it is as pigmented as you want it to be. These shadows blend out seamlessly and they build up effortlessly, so it really does not take much to get this to look beautiful. Alright, so once that is nice and blended out, we are going to go back into this palette and use Mugshot. This is just going to deepen up the crease, give us a little bit more depth and dimension. This is just deepening up that crease for us. Make sure you are going in with a very light hand. Everything blends out very effortlessly, so you don't want to put too much product and put too much pressure, because then it is going to be very hard to make it look nice and neat and beautiful. I find that the best way to get a seamless and effortless blend is to go back and forth between the colors that you're using, just to make sure that everything is as pigmented as you want it to be. So going back and forth between the colors is going to help make sure everything looks effortless, or seamless, I should say. So once that is nice and blended out, we are going to add a little bit more dimension and we are going to mix a couple of colors. So we're going to start with Alert from the Ring the Alarm palette, and we're going to mix it with Secure from the Armed and Gorgeous palette. We're just going to use that same brush. Really focus on using that color Secure. We really want that orangey undertone for this. We are focusing this just out here on the outer corner and blending it in. Alright, so once we have that blended out effortlessly and it looks like we want it to, we are then going to go back to the Ring the Alarm palette and pick up this purple called Framed. And we are going to grab a small little like fluffy detailer brush. We're going to focus that right here on the very outer corner and right on our lash line, just to give it some more deepness and dimension and some depth, and just make it look a little bit smoky. You want to go in with a little bit of this product and just build it up, because a little bit goes a long way with these darker colors. You don't want to start off with a bunch of product, because it's just going to make everything look really muddy and not blend it out very well. Now is for the fun part. This is my absolute favorite color in the entire Vault collection. It is just so beautiful. Focus on me. So for the lid, we are going in with Coin. This is the, it's like a yellow gold. Oh, it just gives me life. I love it so much. So I just take a little bit on my finger and I just start packing that onto my lid. Once I have it pretty much packed onto my lid, I then go in with a small little like detailer brush and I dip back into that Coin color. This is just going to help me put it in the like hard to reach places, I guess, so that I don't make a mess when putting it on my eye and getting it all over the place. I did spritz it with a little bit of setting spray just to keep it together and so I don't get any fallout on my face. We're just going to focus this like right here in the inner corner and bring it up a little bit. Okay, so once we have that color all over our lid, we are just going to go back in with our little small brush and dip a little tiny bit back into framed, and we are just going to blend out this harsh line and make sure that it is a seamless blend from the gold to the dark purple. And then just to make sure everything is seamless, we are just taking a clean blending brush and just blending out any harsh lines. Alrighty, so for the lower lash line, I'm going to take that same little detailer brush that we used coin on. It's just a little tiny brush, and I'm going to dip into Mugshot, Rush, and Alert, and I'm going to press this onto my lower lash line. So as you can see, I didn't blend that out, and it's kind of got like a harsh line to it. So I'm going to take Secure on this little bitty tiny pencil brush, and we're just going to dip into that, and we're going to blend out those colors with Secure. So to finish off the lower lash line, we're going to take the shade Framed on this little tiny like definer brush, and we're going to run this in our waterline. Alrighty guys, and the last and final step before we do our lashes is to highlight the inner corner and the brow bone. I'm going to jump back into the Armed and Gorgeous palette and take this color right here. It is called VIP. And I'm just taking a little like highlighty brush, popping that on the inner corner. And right under my brow bone. Alrighty guys, I'm going to pop on some lashes and I will be right back to finish the video. Alrighty guys, this is the finished look using 2 of the Morphe Jaclyn Hill Vault collection. I do plan on using the other 2 in a tutorial that'll be in the next couple of weeks, so stay tuned for that. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and you like this look. I love it. This gold shade, like let me just get a little closer. This gold shade literally gives me life. It is so freaking pretty. Y'all have no idea, like, I've not been this excited about like a neutral eye look in so long. And this collection just, it makes me so excited. I love it so much. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video and you like the look that I came up with. If you recreate it, make sure to tag me in your looks. Follow my Instagram. I will have that link down below. I would love to see you guys recreate this and to see your version of this and all of the stuff you've done with the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palettes. If you want to see more videos like this, then make sure that you give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed down below and you have hit the little notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload content. And yeah, I think that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!